Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Autopsy forensic tool in Linux. Carrier is one of the leading authorities on operating system file system. Autopsy was built to sit on top of SleuthKit to offer an intuitive graphical based forensic suite that utilizes the strength of SleuthKit while at the same time offering the basics of a case management tool. Let's open up Autopsy tool, application, forensic, Autopsy, copied the link, that is localhost 999 Autopsy. Let's open up browser. This will simply take us to local web server on your system and access port 999 where Autopsy is running. Autopsy is a just graphical user interface overlay on top of Pre and Carrier's excellent suite of forensic tool. Let's create a new case. We'll need to create a case and organize all of our evidence and information. In this regard, Autopsy requires that you start a case to get started. I'm giving this case a numerical case name and a description of hacking dude, and I have provided my name as the investigator. Please note that I can provide up to 6 investigator names. In a real forensic investigation, you will seldom be working alone. Let's click on next. Here you can see that simply gives us a name of the case where the case will be stored, that is variable library autopsy 100, and where its configuration file will be stored, that is variable lib autopsy 100 case.aut. Now click on add a host button, type hostname as host1 and description as new case, time zone as GMT, time skew adjustment as 0. Let's click on add host. Here you can see that host is added. Now add an image file. We need to import an image file. An image file is a bit by bit copy of storage device that we captured for the evidence when we arrived at the crime scene. It can import that image of Autopsy by giving it the location where I saved the image, that is root desktop google.png. Tell Autopsy what type of image type disk, and import method copy. Let's type image path as, click on next. Whenever we are creating an image or saving an image that might be used in any legal proceeding, it is critical to make certain that we can maintain the integrity of the image. This means that we can prove that the image has not been tampered with from the time that the image was captured until the time of the trial. Let's select volume image option, click on OK. Here you can see that case details for 100 be saved. We can see that case details and host details. So that's it in this video on Autopsy forensic tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.